Hi everyone, it's me Alexa. In the next 2 minutes, I'm gonna talk about space and technology. But before we start, I'm gonna show you my brochure. Now, do you know what is space? Space is a home of stars, planets, galaxies, and other cosmic objects like comets and asteroids. Space is extremely cold and completely silent. Sound waves can't travel in space because the low density of gas, dust, and other particles. Have you ever heard about space race? It's the race that started in 1955 between the USA and the Soviet Union. Those two countries are competing to be the first one who can send a man into space. Do you know who's the winner? The first man who went to space is Yuri Gagarin from the Soviet Union. In April 1961, he rode Vostok 1 to reach the Earth's orbit and successfully circling the Earth one time for 108 minutes. From the first man into space, because of technology, today men have built a space station that orbits the Earth called the International Space Station. For short, it is the ISS, which is a collaborational project by five premier space agencies in the world, from the USA, Russia, European Union, Japan, and Canada. There are more countries joining as the project getting bigger. This presentation also made by the help of technology. Before I started making this presentation, it began with an idea, then research using sources like websites, videos, ebooks, and combine them with books and discussions. But technology can become a boomerang. It can backfire to you because there are the good and bad sides of technology. The good side can help you develop in your ideas, increase your creativity, and improve your skills. On the other hand, technology can be a distraction, decrease your skills, and make you lazy. For example, today you can use AI to make presentation without doing any research. Just put the keyword and done. But does it really make you know the knowledge? After all those things, in the end, it all depends on you. You are the one who takes control on how you use technology. You are the one who makes priorities on which way technology helps you for your life, and use it wisely, because it all comes back to you. Are you gonna make something good or bad with technology? Thank you for your attention. Today I spoke about space is the home of cosmic objects. Space is cold and silent. The first man who went to space is Yuri Gagarin from the Soviet Union. There are two sides of technology, and it's you who decides which side you choose.